Yep, I'm feeling it.
Wound. Feels like a buffalo wing. It's in your nose. Wait, I can't hear. What's that?
It's going.
Caleb, you laugh now. You laugh now. Hitting some push-ups.
Yeah.
Great.
Oh man, I'm not gonna touch the water. Respect, yeah. So, fucking, I'm gonna touch the water.
I'm telling.
What about it? Do you know so much fun?
Thank you, man.
That's not bad. There's no problem. Oh, my dog's back. Oh my God. I haven't been drunk in like 15 years, but I'm starting to feel